Welcome to your private log cabin retreat, tucked deep in the peaceful woods of Kentucky, yet just minutes from Bowling Green. This is not just a home. It's your own piece of forested paradise, nestled on over 5 acres of pristine wooded land. Towering trees, chirping birds, and the fresh scent of pine greet you as you arrive at this traditional 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom log cabin. Let's take a closer look. From the moment you step onto the covered front porch, you'll feel the calm energy this home radiates. It's the kind of place that invites you to sit down with a cup of coffee, take a deep breath, and forget the noise of the outside world. To the side, a screened-in porch offers the perfect space to enjoy summer evenings, free from bugs and full of the sounds of nature. And the large wooden deck in the back? Ideal for hosting cookouts, family gatherings, or just stretching out in a hammock under the stars. Inside, the cabin-style charm continues. Warm wood tones, cozy living spaces, and a full walkout basement add both comfort and functionality. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a quiet weekend, there's room here for every part of life. But there's more. This property also includes multiple storage sheds, a sturdy carport, and the kind of quiet you can only find in nature. Deer often wander through, birds nest nearby, and you can finally breathe. It's perfect as a full-time residence, a peaceful weekend getaway, or even a unique Airbnb experience. Whether you're dreaming of a rustic lifestyle or simply need a place to recharge, this cabin welcomes you home. Here's the exciting part. This charming property is being sold through an online-only auction, ending Monday, August 11th at 6 p.m. Mark your calendar and don't miss the opportunity. Want to see it in person? There's an open house on Friday, August 1st from 4 to 6 p.m. A perfect chance to experience the peace of this place for yourself. Visit rsmillsauctions.com for full terms, conditions, and to place your bids. Interior photos and personal property details are coming soon, so stay tuned. If you've been looking for a place that blends privacy, nature, and rustic charm in one beautiful package, this Kentucky cabin might just be your dream come true.